Beneath the surface of government spending lies a parallel world, America's black budget programs. Billions vanish from official records, fueling secret innovation in warfare, surveillance, and technology. These projects are so sensitive, their existence is denied, protected by absolute secrecy. The technologies developed here, hypersonic aircraft, predictive AI, global surveillance, are real, not science fiction. While public budgets are debated, tens of billions flow into classified projects, driving a silent arms race in hidden labs and remote test sites. This world shapes the future of power, raising profound ethical questions about unchecked technological advancement. What happens when the most powerful tools are created without public oversight? Understanding this hidden revolution means confronting the true nature of democracy in an age of secrecy. The black budget is the classified portion of the U.S. defense budget, money for secret projects too sensitive for public eyes. Managed by agencies like the CIA, NSA, and DARPA, it's the fuel for staying ahead of adversaries. In 2024, the acknowledged intelligence budget topped $100 billion, but the real figure is likely much higher. At least 11% of the Pentagon's budget is hidden, funding stealth aircraft, autonomous drones, cyber tools, and global surveillance. These funds are buried in vague line items, shielded from scrutiny, and overseen by a handful of sworn-to-secrecy lawmakers. There are no open hearings or detailed reports. Justifications are national security. But the result is little external accountability. Billions are spent in secret, raising critical questions about oversight in a democracy. The black budget produces real, formidable technology, like secret aircraft that once flew unseen for years. Today's successors include hypersonic vehicles, autonomous drone swarms, and next-gen bombers, all developed in the shadows. Military-grade AI, such as Project Maven, analyzes drone footage and directs operations, raising ethical concerns about machines in warfare. Directed energy weapons, lasers and microwaves, can disable targets at the speed of light, with their most advanced forms still classified. The black budget also powers a vast surveillance network, satellites, underwater sensors, and cyber tools that track and infiltrate globally. The goal is total information awareness, knowing what adversaries are doing, planning, or even thinking. These technologies are not just theoretical, they're operational, shaping the future of conflict. The relentless pursuit of dominance in the shadows is both awe-inspiring and deeply controversial. The true extent of these capabilities remains hidden from public view. To build the impossible, you need places where normal rules don't apply, like Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works. Skunk Works' small, secretive teams have produced legendary aircraft, from the U-2 to the F-117, all under intense security. Engineers work in isolation, bound by secrecy, free to take risks and push boundaries. Area 51, the iconic Nevada test site, is where these designs take flight, shielded from the world. Strange lights in the desert were often glimpses of top-secret prototypes, not UFOs. The extreme secrecy ensures sensitive technologies are tested safely, away from prying eyes. These hidden bases are where radical ideas become operational realities. The black budget world thrives on partnerships with select private corporations. Defense giants like Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Boeing have long delivered secret projects, earning hundreds of billions in classified contracts. Skunk Works leads in black aircraft. Northrop Grumman develops stealth bombers and missiles, all shrouded in secrecy. Recently, tech firms like Palantir and SpaceX have joined, bringing data analytics and space launch capabilities to the table. Palantir's platforms sift through massive data for intelligence agencies, while SpaceX launches military satellites and provides secure communications. This blend of traditional hardware and cutting-edge digital tech is reshaping secret defense contracting. The landscape is evolving, with Silicon Valley now a key player in the hidden tech revolution. Black budget funds are hidden within the massive Pentagon budget, disguised under vague categories like research and development. Techniques like masking and overfunding public programs allow billions to vanish from public view each year. Classified contracts are exempt from reporting, leaving no paper trail for outsiders, or even most of Congress, to follow. Compartmentalization ensures even insiders see only a fragment of the whole, protecting secrets but also enabling inefficiency and cost overruns. The system is intentionally opaque, a masterpiece of bureaucratic camouflage. While it protects national security, it challenges democratic accountability. When billions are spent in secret, it raises fundamental questions about who truly controls power. Despite intense secrecy, leaks occasionally pierce the black world. Edward Snowden's 2013 revelations exposed the NSA's vast surveillance apparatus, collecting data on millions, including Americans. His leaks ignited a global debate on privacy, security, and government overreach, showing the black budget's reach extends far beyond foreign threats. Decades earlier, Bob Lazar claimed to work on alien technology at Area 51, fueling conspiracy theories and cementing the site's mystique. While Lazar's claims remain unverified, both stories highlight the immense burden of secrecy on insiders. Sometimes conscience or curiosity compels them to speak, offering rare glimpses into hidden operations. These leaks remind us that behind the code names and budgets are real people, wrestling with the weight of what they know. The world of black projects is a pressure cooker. Occasionally, the lid blows off. Many everyday technologies began as black budget secrets, like GPS, now essential for navigation, but once a Cold War military tool. Drones, now used for deliveries and photography, started as classified reconnaissance platforms. Even the internet traces back to DARPA's ARPANET, designed for resilient military communications. Stealth technology, once a closely guarded secret, now influences materials, science, and design. As these innovations are declassified, they transform society in unexpected ways. The microchips in our phones and the encryption protecting our data all have roots in secret defense research. Today's hidden breakthroughs could be tomorrow's indispensable tools. The black budget's secret world poses a dilemma for democracy. Proponents argue secrecy is vital for national security, enabling breakthroughs that deter threats and save lives. Stealth tech and surveillance have given the U.S. a decisive edge, but at what cost? Without oversight, secret programs risk waste, abuse, and unchecked power, bypassing crucial ethical debates. Technologies that can surveil or make autonomous decisions are developed without public input. The real question: how much secrecy is too much? As technology grows more powerful, the stakes rise. Will secrecy protect us or undermine our freedoms? The future depends on how we confront this double-edged sword of hidden innovation.